Hello guys, welcome to Trending Tube. My name is Biswa and in this video I'm going to show you a product from IKEA which is NOVLING. It's a rug and it's a low pile rug, and it was in the product section or maybe in the display of IKEA in India store. And this is a different set of color combination that you see. You see a dark blue and yellow brown color, and the dimension is 200 into 300 centimeter, and it's a big one. And this is a low pile rug. Generally a low pile rugs, they has a very short or tightly woven dense fibers, and that sits flat against your floor, and known for high durability and easy maintenance as well. As you see here, these are dense fibers which are tightly woven, and these are easy to maintain. And if you see below, these are there are rubber materials which are easy to maintain as well. And this is one of the most selling IKEA rugs which you can find it in IKEA. And when it comes to its pricing, as I mentioned already, it is made in China, and also the price is approximately 9,000 rupees in Indian currency when it was in offer. And as you see here, product name it's a low pile, and measurement is 200 into 300. And in most of the cases you will find this in IKEA store when you visit. This rug is made up of recycled polyester, and this is durable, stain resistant, and easy to care, since this rug is made up of synthetic fibers. Okay, and the varying pile structures in the rug creates an interesting tactility. The backing keeps the rug firmly and in place and reduces the risk of slipping, as you see there. The tip is, there is a tip that IKEA provides. The rug fits for 4-seat sofa, but can also fit other sofa sizes depending upon how you place it, right? And the rug is a machine woven rug, not a hand woven. The product has been tested for domestic use, and the designer name is Luna Gill. This is the color of that, as you see here, and it looks pretty beautiful, and it is blue and brown, yellow brown in nature. So it looks good, and it's a suggested product from IKEA. So go ahead, if you find it interesting and useful for you, go ahead and purchase it. Thank you for watching. Do hit the like and add any comments if you have in the comment section. Thank you guys, and thanks for watching.